Hello everyone, this is Science Mascots and today we are going to unbox this very beautiful piece of instrument. Let's see what it is. So this is your one year caliper. Okay. So what's in this 1 year caliper is that we can measure thickness, we can measure the external diameter, internal diameter, and also the depth of any beaker or pipette or burette or anything that has cylindrical shape. Okay, so this consists of a rectangular steel bar graduated inches on upper side, ऊपर में inches में रहता है, नीचे में सेंटीमीटर में रहता है. Okay, and this is the main scale. Okay, this is the main scale and this one is the 1 year scale. Now it has got two jaws. As you can see, the method to open this is you have to press this and then you can slide it easily. Okay, so the two jaws that are below, this is used to measure the external diameter, this one is used to measure the internal diameters, and this pipe here, this steel rod kind of thing, this used to measure the depth of any cylindrical instrument, right? So the main thing here is that you have to find out the total scale reading, total reading of anything. So how will you do it? You have to add the main scale reading plus the 1 year scale reading, which is coinciding with the main scale, and you have to multiply the 1 year scale reading with the least count. What is least count? Least count is that the smallest measurement that this scale can take, and here in this case it is found out by differencing between the main scale reading and the 1 year scale reading. So here it is 1 main scale division minus 1 year scale division, which is actually 1 minus 9 by 10, which comes out to be 1 by 10 centimeter. So here in this case this is 0.01 centimeter. Okay, so let's go with an example. Here I've got a Borosil beaker. Okay, this is a small beaker. So we are going to find the volume of this beaker. Okay, so first of all we are going to measure the internal diameter with the help of these two jaws. Okay, let's see it. So we'll go like this. Okay, so this is your internal diameter, and how to take your readings is that, as you can see, this is gonna go with the after 4 1 2 3, after the 3 divisions in the main scale, the one that is coinciding with the above one is the middle one from the 1 year scale. Okay, the 5th division. Okay, so that is gonna be, then total scale reading gonna be 4.1233, then 5 into the least count is 0.01, so 4.35 is the internal diameter of this beaker. Then we're gonna measure the depth also. Right, so I think this is going to be just right. This is your depth. So the reading is going to be after 7. This is going to coincide with the second one, so it's purely going to be 7.2 centimeter. Okay, now we have got the dimensions of this beaker and we can find the internal volume of this beaker. I hope, let me know in the comments what is the volume of a cylinder. Thank you.